Just to note, Michael Andre Edwards has pushed his lead to 15.60. Manny Phillips passed in round number 4.
15.31 Phillips. As Bloomfield awaits his 5th attempt. Bloomfield in 6th position at the moment. Best of 14.87.
1 round to go. It's Kingston College in 2nd with Phillips. Behind Edwards. Calabar Samuels is in 3rd, 15.12. Kelmy Hunter of Kingston College. His first round effort of 15.03 has him in 4th. Kato, 14.98, so just outside 15 meters.
Yeah, they're trying to go for a big one here. They'll be going for the spectacular as Bloomfield. He'll need that for sure. It's a Jari Bloomfield. If he is to improve on his 14.87, just be definitely be happy with something over 15 meters here.
I think, Jermaine, as I said before, what has thrown this competition off is the start time. And again, these athletes had to warm up twice. And I suspect a 3rd round of warming up had to happen after the opening ceremony. So they've been out here for almost 3 hours.
I understand, Dwayne, a few of the coaches were complaining about the wait time.
Yeah, but it's something that happens every year. It's something that happens every year as Bloomfield
just asking the spectators for some support. Champs Day 4, the evening session, vibrant. Bloomfield sets off, trying to improve on that 14.87. Steps and gets to that pit. And, put everything behind that one, Bloomfield.
Everything behind it, even his left arm.
Which back in the pit there.
Yeah.
That's the white flag. Not what he would have wanted as we take a look back at the replay.
Yeah, you see the more experienced triple jumpers, the class 1 boys, they don't look down at the board because they've done this for some time now. Nice hop. Pretty even step with a left leg. Left out to hang, so
14.64 meters on his 5th attempt there. Bloomfield not improving on his best thus far of 14.87 meters.
Yeah, Kato, if he is to get into medal position, he has to be better than 15.12 to unseat Samuels.
Yeah. His best thus far, 14.98 meters. Tall athlete. Some amount of speed as well, so CSC by this time looking to set off is Kato is at the board and to the pit, and a lovely hang there from him, but not enough, as he says thank you to the spectators. What a character. And I guess the white flag did ask for the support. Despite not being pleased with that effort, as we look back, we did say thank you to the crowd.
Yeah, he's known to find big jumps when it matters most. He's very good on the board. That attempt, very high on the hop face of 15.15.
So it takes him up into 3rd. That's nice.
I tell you, he's a big time jumper.
Finds a big one. Let's see, yes, and he's into 3rd place, 15.15. Didn't look pleased with the effort, but certainly did get the support. And
now then,
yeah, screen now. Hunter, Kelmy Hunter sets off 14.96. Skips and to the pit, and a lovely one as well for Hunter. He went hunting there for a big one to get back amongst the medals, and the white flag goes up, and Hunter is saying game face on. He's saying listen, not relinquish, play so easily. As we look back at Hunter here,
yeah, that's big, Jermaine. Looks big from here, gathers pretty well, doesn't touch the board any at all. 21 centimeters, nice hop, nice jump step. he goes 15.15.
So 15.15 meters as well for Hunter. That is what Kato got early as well. So
yeah, but he knocks Kato down into fourth.
Yes,
because the second best jump is 15.03.
Yes. So what a series of jumps we have here. Khalil Samuels, 15.12, his best so far this evening, and he'll be pumped up. He would have seen what Kato did earlier. He would have seen what Riquelme Hunter of Kingston College did. And so he will now go hunting.
Jeremy
Samuels.
2 jumps ago, he was in third. He's now in 5th position.
Trying to climb right back into medal position is Samuels as he sets off. Gets to the board now. Nice height and into the pit. And a big effort for him as well. A lot behind that one, Samuels, but is it enough? Gets the white flag. Is it enough? Samuels 15.12, his best thus far this evening. Let's look back at the replay. There he is.
Oh, these boys are gathering excellent on the board.
Yeah. Steps and into the pit. Just a beautiful sequence there. So 14.95 for Samuels, but a lot behind it. Just not enough to once again get above that 15-meter mark. This is Imani Phillips now. And the momentum, athletes are gathering some amount of momentum here. And certainly Phillips will want to feed off what he saw early from the likes of Kato and Hunter. He's in second place, Phillips. Big one, 15.34 meters and 15.31 as well. So, dare I say, the top 2 might well be away from the rest of the field at this point. Imani Phillips knows that 15.60 from Michael Andre Edwards to be in that gold medal position. Phillips now 15.34. Dwayne going for a big one here.
Okay, so it'll take some catching to catch Michael Andre Edwards.
Let's see. Sets off nice speed from Phillips and is rushing the phases there though. And just from when he touched the board, you knew he was off. And he realized it early as well. Imani Phillips, who this event last in class 2, did he?
Yeah, in record fashion. But I think not at his best now.
Can you imagine, not at his best, but still in second place and still up to 15.34. Long jump didn't go his way either, but it tells it shows rather the ability of the athlete overall. That is Imani Phillips of Kingston College.
Yeah, this boy now, Michael Andre Edwards, is having fun out there. 15.60 in round number 4. Only defeat in his career has come at the hands of Ewan Young of Jamaica College in his first year of class 2.
Yep. Isn't used to any other color but gold. Michael Andre Edwards leading the charge for Jamaica College this year. Bounding, nice form, showing confidence, gets to the pit now on Michael Andre Edwards, and a nice one there from him. And does that get close to his best this evening, but has the gold medal all wrapped up. Does Michael Andre Edwards. As we look back at the replay, such a lovely form. Well, took off from well behind the board, Dwayne, but has all the tools. And when you look at him, you